Reviver. Draw 2 random community cards. Place one in your faction hand, the other in your recruits. At beginning of any turn, use as a starting card or the starting card. If not used, add to your points at the end of the game. So, let's say it's round 7, and I want to play Reviver. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw 2 cards. Okay? I'm going to look at the cards and decide which one do I want to give myself right now and put into my recruits. Well, this one has a faction play and this one does not, and it's more points. So I'm going to go ahead and play this here into my recruits. Now, the round may change. Say round 8 is gone. He's off the board. And then I'm going to have in my faction hand, in fact, I really should have 3 cards in my faction hand. I can at any point play this card. So say I don't like any of the cards on this board, I can then immediately say this is my starting card, play it just like a starting card, and play a faction. So basically, if there's nothing in the middle that I like, I can replace it. Or I cannot play it, the game ends, I still have it in my hand, and I can add it essentially to my hand as points. So you have options with the Reviver. Thanks for watching the video. For more news and updates from the Master of Wills team, just subscribe to us below.